Hello everyone, my name is Felicita Santiago. As I mentioned to you before, I am a UPK teacher and I came across this called Adventure Academy for Kids. Welcome to the new online elementary and middle school learning program for kids ages 8 through 13. Let's see. Adventures for Kids. An eClip learning adventure awaits you. Join in the adventures with your friends. That's what it says. Okay. Discover knowledge, adventure, quizzes, and more. Reading. Kids are able to do reading, main idea and key details, comprehension, writing, spelling, and much more. They're able to gain essential skills in reading, writing, and language development, all through technology. Math. They're able to improve math skills by doing activities and mathematical operation, fractions, word problems, and more. Multiplication and division, geometry, fractions and decimals, word problems, and more, and much more. Science. They also have science activity for kids. They are able to do science activities of their own interest. Children can embark on scientific inquiry no matter what topic they choose. Create your own adventures with customized features. This is what some of y'all been doing throughout the whole. This is what some of y'all did last week, and now kids are able to do it as well. This is why I found this Academy Adventure for Kids very interesting, because it has a lot to do with the course right now. It says create and customize your home. Explore the marketplace. Educational games, videos, puzzles, and more. Access hundreds of hours of educational activities, teaching essential skills in math, language, art, science, social studies, and more. And these are all the fun things that kids get to do while they're online and learning at the same time and showing their creativity. This is why it caught my attention. Start your adventure today. I also came across something else that I found interesting. Hold on 1 minute. And it's, let's see if I can see it. 6 hands. Here we go. Sorry about that. Six hands center ideas for using technology in pre-K, which is my actual field, pre-K. So here, children have the iPad and they are using it outside. Adding technology to a preschool or kindergarten classroom is always a little bit tricky. A little bit tricky. You have to walk a fine line. It is usually tricky because we're not really allowed to use the computer online, but I mean, in the UPK classroom, model good tech habits for kids. Choose app that help children build and create. My favorite. Children love to build and create. It's why the Black Corner and Art Center are always two of the most popular places in our classroom. So, my experience that given a choice, students will actually gravitate towards the apps that promote creativity thinking rather than the boring drill and practice games, which is true. Create a take apart center where kids can explore like engineers. I found that's very interesting. I'm going to try that in my class. Encourage kids to collaborate with tech as much as possible. HighScope I used to use before. Looking for more ideas for using technology in your early childhood classroom? Be sure to explore this resource from HighScope. Also check the HighScope website.